How to perform a simple pH calibration. Welcome to this calibration video featuring NineFocus. In this video we'll guide you through a simple calibration. We begin with NineFocus already set and ready to go. The pH sensor is connected to the meter and securely mounted on easy place. We have the sachets holder ready, containing the necessary buffer solutions 4.01, 7.00 and 9.21. First, the sensor is rinsed with water and damp dry. Then, the sensor is immersed in the sachets containing the buffer solution with 4.01. Start the calibration directly from the home screen. Confirm the sensor cleaning message that appears. Wait until the first calibration point is measured. The sensor is cleaned with water and damp dry before it can be immersed in the sachet containing the buffer with pH 7.00. After measuring the first calibration point, pay attention to the message that appears. The message ensures that the calibration procedure is executed correctly. Confirm the message. After the second calibration, the sensor cleaning reminder appears again. Now let's test the meter by keeping the sensor in buffer 7.00. At this point a warning message appears that indicates that the buffer is not correct. Clean and dry the sensor once more. After that, immerse it in the 9.21 buffer solution for the final calibration. Confirm the message. Once the measurement is complete, the meter will automatically calculate the slope and the offset. To save the new calibration data in the sensor chip, simply click on Adjust. Now you're good to go to proceed with the next step. Let's look at the calibration settings in detail. To edit the simple calibration, pull down the method list and select the pH cal. Note that there are 4 tabs, namely the General tab, the Configuration tab, the Sequence tab, and the Buffer Data tab. Configuration. Now let's look at the Configuration section. Here you'll notice an option to activate limits for the calibration. This ensures that the slope and the offset stay within the desired range. Next, click on the Parameter A tab, where you'll see that all the settings are set to auto recognition. Sequence. When you navigate to the Sequence section, you will notice that there is one method function calibration. If you want to add a message or stir, you can simply press Edit Sequence. This allows you to insert method function before or after the calibration method function. Buffer Data. Now let's navigate to the Buffer Data section. Here you'll notice the automatic buffer recognition feature, which identifies the buffers for you. Next, set the calibration mode to segmented. Once that's done, click on the buffer list to see the available buffers. In this case, we have chosen the buffers 4.01, 7.00 and 9.21. If you want to learn more about calibration, especially the calibration with diagnostic, check out the corresponding video.